My parents didn't make me a cake yesterday. And today they tried making me a cake. And it's all oh, what in the world? It's leaking over. It's still soupy. And this is their excuse for a birthday cake. A Twinkie with cocoa powder sprinkled on it. Oh, man. This is stupid. This is my birthday cake.
Where is the camera?
No, there's no camera. It's the video.
What, you got your boobs right there?
Ma, we're not talking about my boobs. That's embarrassing.
Yeah, but you put that right there.
Ma. Look at this thing. Light it, Pa. This is a day late, by the way. This is pathetic that this was a day late.
Happy birthday
Da-da-da-na-na-na. Block can't lie.
I wish for a real birthday cake and gas money. This is retarded. Yes. Oh my gosh. That's.
Need more wax.
Again?